The CR3 extension identifies a Canon RAW 3 image file containing unprocessed sensor data from modern Canon mirrorless and DSLR cameras. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these RAW photograph files. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful CR3 file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. CR3 files are Canon's current RAW image format, used by EOS R mirrorless cameras and newer DSLRs. They contain unprocessed sensor data with full dynamic range and color depth, stored in an ISO-based media file format, ISOBMFF container, replacing the older CR2 TIFF-based format. Canon CR3 files use the ISOBMFF container, wrapping HEIF-compatible image data with 14-bit RAW sensor readings embedded JPEG previews, Canon-specific CRAW compression, and extensive EXIF metadata, including lens correction profiles and dual-pixel AF information. The CR3 format has primary linkage to the Canon EOS cameras, Josh Digital Photo Professional application by Canon Inc. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows may display a basic preview, but true editing requires dedicated RAW development software. Open the context menu by right-clicking the CR3 file and selecting Open With. Start your test with Canon EOS cameras, Digital Photo Professional if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. If the CR3 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The system isn't broken. The file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this CR3 error before we apply the universal fix. First, opening the file. Install Adobe Camera Raw or Lightroom. Update it to support your Canon camera model. Alternatively, download Canon's free Digital Photo Professional DPP software from Canon's website. Open the CR3 file to access full RAW development controls for exposure, white balance, and color. Next, editing in Lightroom. Import CR3 files into Adobe Lightroom. Classic for non-destructive RAW editing. Apply exposure corrections, white balance adjustments, lens profiles, and creative presets. Lightroom preserves original RAW data while storing edits as reversible metadata parameters. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use Adobe Lightroom, Canon DPP or Darktable to export CR3 files as JPEG TIFF or PNG. Configure output resolution color space, sRGB or Adobe RGB, and compression quality. TIFF provides maximum quality for print, while JPEG offers efficient web sharing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.